Welcome back to the channel where we make app tutorials simple, easy to follow for everyone using mobile tools and creative design apps. In this video, you will learn how to enable device text size in the Canva app on your phone. First, open the Canva app on your phone. Next, tap on the More option in the bottom menu. Then, go to Settings. After that, find Accessibility and open it. After that, scroll down until you find Use Device Text Size and toggle it on to match your system preferences. Finally, the app will now follow your device text size settings, making text easier to read and more comfortable. This simple setting helps you improve readability in Canva by matching the text size to your device preferences for a better editing experience. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it. Thanks for watching.